To the laundromat. Wow!
Huh? The washer's broken?
Let me check. Huh?
Oh no!
Oh. Huh?
Oh no! Where'd the rat come from?
Ah! Mommy, come here.
The cord is chewed. Why is PICA so scared?
I need this tomorrow. Huh?
Let me take you to the laundromat.
Wow, so many washing machines.
This is their first trip to the laundromat. This is Van's mom's laundromat. We need these washed. Okay. Huh? PICA, where are you? Don't fool around in a laundromat. Hello? Oh.
Huh? We put the white dress in the washer. We put the white dress in the washer.
Oh! Oh no, the white dress will be mixed with other colors.
Ah! Oh!
If you hadn't fooled around and messed up the laundry, the dress would have been fine. See? Stop crying. I'll buy you another. They enjoy their first task together. And they quickly do the next task.
Haha! I win!
Something for my good side. Oh! So small! So small! No! I'm so bad! No! I don't want Real or fake housework assignment?
Pika, I'm heading off to work. Listen to Daddy, all right?
Yes, Mommy.
I wonder what Mommy is writing. These are 3 tasks that you need to do before I get home. If you don't do it all in time, you'll be punished. What should Pika do? Oh, what is Pika trying to do?
Huh?
These are the tasks that Mom asks you and me to do before she gets home.
They enjoy their first task together. And they quickly do the next task.
Haha! I win!
And the third task is complete.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Oh, what seems to be the problem?
I'm sorry.
Are you guys done with the housework yet? We're almost home. Daddy and Pika promptly clean up the toys and clean the house. Mommy is home. I wonder if Daddy and Pika did all the tasks. Oh, thank goodness. They managed to do it all. It's good that they completed all the housework in time. Mommy would have been so mad. You guys did great. Here's something from my good son.
Thank you, Mommy. Something for my good son. Oh, so small. So small, no. I'm so big. No, I don't want so big. Thank you, Pika appears. Puka needs her brother.
Wow, Pika has 3 cute-looking presents. Those are the birthday presents he got from his mom and grandparents.
Wow, awesome clothes.
What's up with Puka?
What's up, Puka? There's a cockroach. Pika! Super Pika appears. See how awesome Super Pika is.
Oh no!
Super Pika broke Puka's toy. Oh, I'm sorry. No way! You broke my doll. Please don't be mad. Are you hungry? Let Chef Pika handle this. Chef Pika will make you an omelette. Wow! I need to go to the bathroom. What's that smell? Pika! What is it? Oh no! Firefighter Pika is there. Huh?
What's up?
Pika wants to make me an omelet, but...
Fire is dangerous. Next time, don't cook without grown-up supervision, okay?
Okay. I can't do anything for her, even as Super Pika, or Chef Pika, or Firefighter Pika.
Puka only needs her brother. So, instead of playing with your figurines or watching TV, just spend more time with her.
Okay. Let's go to the park. Okay. Pika Pika! Pika swallows a seed.
The weather is so hot. Pika and Puka are sweating through their skin. Here comes watermelon.
Puka, don't eat the seeds. I know.
What is Pika giggling about? Puka wasn't going to let it slide. Whoops! Looks like something is wrong with Puka.
I think I swallowed some seed.
Pika has a plan.
Puka, take a look at these.
Oh no! A A sprout has grown out of Puka's head.
Puka, where are you? It won't work.
Oh no! The sun is hurting Puka's sprout.
Hold on.
Wow, Puka's healthy again. Puka, what happened to you?
I swallowed some watermelon seed. Now I have this sprout on my head.
Don't worry, seeds cannot grow inside of you.
Whoa!
So it was all Puka's fearful imagination.
Pika pika! Don't play hide and seek in the refrigerator. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hide. Well, I fight you now. It's so hot. Pika! Pika! Want eat something?
Wow, so much yummy food.
Great! Thank you. Let's continue. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh? Does Puka want to hide inside the fridge?
So dangerous. Do you remember what Mommy said? Yeah! Puka, help me! I can't move. It's very kind of you. Get away! I want to take some water.
What should Pika do now?
Puka keeps hiding inside the fridge.
Let's wait and see what happened.
Oh, the teddy is frozen.
And you could also get a shock.
So dangerous.
Don't ever go inside the fridge.
Yes, Mommy. Pika Pika! The elevator incidents.
It's the weekend and Mommy takes Pika and Puka to the supermarket. Oh, Pika and Puka are playing hide and seek. Kids, the elevator is here.
Ooh.
Kids, it's not safe to play in the elevator.
Yes, Mommy. Puka, remember not to jump inside an elevator.
Oh no, what happened? There is a problem with the elevator.
Help!
Pika, Puka, remain calm. We'll push this button to call for help. Okay, now we'll wait for help to arrive. The two stopped playing and sat down to wait for help. Everyone is stuck inside an elevator. Everyone is stuck inside the elevator. Oh no! The elevator is falling! Oh, it's just imagination. Remain calm, kids. Help is on the way. Mommy helps the two to ease the fear.
When having trouble with the elevator, remember to remain calm and call for help.
Yes.